Just want to take a quick look at Forex Trendy. And what I'm looking at here is simply the trend directions. I'm going to, I didn't set any special settings or anything. That's whatever comes up we're just going to be looking at here. Why this can really help you as a trader is it keeps you objective. Anyone that's been trading for a while knows that if you don't have objective means of entering trades, exiting trades, picking direction, anything with trading and being consistent at it, you're not going to find success. And consistency is going to come from discipline and being objective. So it's really great, for example, if you're trading the Euro Aussie 4-hour chart, for example, it has an uptrend. So for you as a trader, you're only going to look at taking uptrends. Now you can look at the price action, and we are obviously making higher highs, high and lows. We got a bit of a range going on here, so could be some range plays here as well, right? And this, if you understand chart patterns, looking at this, we have a consolidation pattern here. Look for a break to the upside. Yes, it could break to the downside, but this is where something else comes in handy, and I want to show you this. I'm a big fan of symmetry in the markets. Basically what that means is these pullbacks. Let me just get a pen here. These pullbacks here, all these kind of pullbacks, what they do is they show you what's a normal reaction in this market that does not break the uptrend. So for example, right now we've got trend drawdown 21.3%, so 240.2 pips. What that is telling you is that price could break out of here. It's a lousy line. Price can break out of here, drop down 240 pips, and still not break the uptrend. Why? Because of this right here. This tells you this. It's showing you that the biggest drawdown so far has been 240 pips. Anything above that is normal. Anything right to this is normal. When it starts exceeding that, then you're going to want to be looking at something different going on in the market. Looking at the 5-minute New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Again, if you're trading the 5-minute chart, which is not my preference, trading the spot market, that's for sure. We've got 13.8 pips is a natural move against the overall uptrend. So just because you see price pulling back, and you don't want to be entering counter trend trades. Be quite honest with you, a lot of traders are counter trend traders. All you have to do is look at a depth of market, for example, in the futures market, and what you'll see is that this is a lousy box. You'll see prices in here, and then you'll see on the sell side limit orders looking to sell, right? And down below here you'll have buy limit orders looking to buy. All right, these could also actually be stop orders. So if we're looking at the New Zealand dollar, for example, people are actually going to have prices, limit orders to sell the market. And we're not even talking about people sitting on the sidelines waiting to see these kind of moves. Okay? But what this can do is just keep you on the right side of this uptrend, knowing that this is a natural evolution in this downtrend. And back again to the New Zealand dollar. Now we're on the hourly chart, so you can see that it changes. Let's just take a quick look at some completed patterns. Just for time, look at the daily charts. We had a triangle setting up in the Euro Japanese Yen daily chart. The buy signal was at 122.13. Well, you can see that price traded nicely up there. And if you are anyway into technical analysis, you will find that these are the zones, not so much the extremes, right? A lot of traders will trade the extremes, but that's not where a lot of the volume takes place. It takes place before that. At the ends of these are lower volume. And how can you tell? Because it came back down. So look, this trade played out, and the targets on this, the high-end target, let's see how we got. Was it 25, 125? Let's say 21, 126. So that would have given us at least the first target right here, 124.08. And 126.59 is just up here somewhere. But again, you know, we're going through a retracement, and you still might be in this trade. Who knows, right? You've got the candle here that's right here on the side of the chart here. That's still pretty, even though it closed red, it still looks, the close of it's bullish. And if you just draw a simple line right through here, you'll see it's coming down through there. You don't, like I said, you don't always want to be looking at the extremes. Price will oftentimes bounce outside of those extremes. So again, it was a completed pattern on the Euro Japanese yen. It worked out. Now we've got silver. I don't know who trades that, but let's just stick with Forex. New Zealand dollar. It was a sell signal from a triangle. Well, look at, they don't always work out, right? The sell signal on this was at 69.10, which is in this area right here. Didn't really get much juice in your direction. It fell down to 68.20, which didn't even make first target. All right, so again, it's not always going to work out, regardless of what any marketers tell you. These things don't always work out. We've got some emerging patterns showing up. We have a Euro Swiss franc 4-hour chart. And now, if you look at this, we're looking at an overall uptrend. Looking at the pattern, you can see that we're tight consolidations. When these break, oftentimes they do so with a lot of force. I just don't like when it trades too far into the apex here. So for this, you'd be looking for upside, but again, you're not going to ignore the price action and what that tells you. Euro CAD, same thing. We have a Euro triangle stuck in the Euro triangle. We have a triangle and it's stuck in the middle of the range. So I just wanted to touch on a few things there quickly. Combine the trends and the patterns. This is actually so important to trading. This here. This is an expected drawdown, which you should expect if you're looking to take long trades in this pair on a 4-hour chart in this uptrend. Just because you'll see these big, strong pullbacks, it does not negate the uptrend. Okay? And this will be the big plus of using this. All right, thanks for watching. Click below, sign up, become a member.